Hey everybody! So I'm here today to show you my Beauty Counter glam routine. All of the makeup in the video is from Beauty Counter. It is my favorite clean, safer makeup. It's absolutely beautiful. And we're starting with my favorite nudes palette. And the first color I start with is Eggshell. I love putting this in the corner of my eyes and just to highlight my brow bone. It just gives me a nice awake look and refreshed. I love it. It's such a beautiful color. And then I move on to my next favorite neutral, which is called Cashmere. And I put that really across the whole eyelid because, again, it just gives you that nice beautiful base color. And then I move on to Cherry Blossom, and I also like to put this on my entire eyelid, but I concentrate more on the lower lid and then just swipe across once on the upper. Then my other favorite color is called Spice, and I put that in the lid crease to the corner, and then I come in a little bit along the lash line, and then I always like to blend it in so it doesn't look unnatural. I always like a natural look even for a glam night. So you just blend it in with your finger. You could also blend it with a brush as well. And then I move on to my eyeliner. And I really like to use one of the darkest color called Charcoal in the Nudes palette. And I just use a eyeliner brush and just brush along the base of my eyelashes. Then we are on to Dew Skin Tint. I love this color. I use it in the color Linen. You can also apply it with a brush if you would like. I feel like I'd get a little better control with my fingers. Just be sure to be really gentle. Gives you a beautiful glow. Then I move on to, I love my cream blusher. It's almost just like a baby doll dab on each cheek. And then I just lightly blend it in, and it just gives a beautiful rosy glow. Very natural, just very dewy look. I love it. And then I love moving on to the matte bronzer. Now I use matte bronzer number 1. It's beautiful for toning and setting your makeup, and it just gives you a beautiful glow. For me, because I have oily skin, I like to use the mattifying powder afterwards. You might not need that if you don't have oily skin, but that's always part of my routine. It's great for setting my makeup. Then I move on to my volumizing mascara by Beauty Counter. I absolutely love this. It gives my lashes a nice, beautiful, bold volume, which I love. I love a big lash. So now onto the brows. That's an important part of your look. It pulls everything together. So first I use the little spoolie brush to brush them upwards. And then I start filling in with a very sharp, make sure it's always sharpened, so you can fill them in the most natural way. And then once I have the crayon in there, I'll a lot of times do another little brush over. And then I move on to my lipstick, and for a date night out or a glam night out, I like to up it a little bit and do a little more color. So the color I'm wearing here is called First Date, and it's in with the Color Intense lipsticks. These lipsticks are amazing. So that is my glam date night. So I hope you enjoyed it, and be sure to share this with people that would love natural, clean makeup. And we will see you guys next time.